MAXTECH Automation Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech automation enterprise established in 2012, which is specialized in mattress machinery manufacturing and technology development. We have a professional R&D team and group of experienced engineers, foaming a complete and independent product design, processing, assembly, and program writing, continuously developing and manufacturing automation equipment that leads the entire industry and contributes a very important force to the automation process of the upholstered furniture industry. At present, MAXTECH has reached the leading level in the mattress machinery industry in terms of product design, manufacturing, and automation. Our various products are exported to America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, etc., all over the world. Our main products include 1. Automatic mattress compression folding and roll packing production line, 2. Automatic mattress packing machine, 3. Automatic block sponge compressing and roll packing machine. We have served domestic and overseas well-known enterprises and become the mainstream suppliers of upholstered furniture industry. MAXTECH has newly created the world's first fully automatic mattress craft paper packing machine, which drives a greater level of automation in the entire mattress packaging industry. All series of products have obtained invention and utility patents. Honesty, quality, and service first is the living way of MAXTECH. We commit consistent working style and supply high and stable quality goods and best services for our all customers, continuously developing our products and innovate in technology. Let's create a better future together.